Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly at ease or, conversely, felt uncomfortable? The orientation of a house plays a vital role in how we feel and interact with our living space. It can impact everything from the amount of natural light that enters our home to the temperature and energy efficiency of the house. In this video, we will go over some essential tips to help you select the best orientation for your home. Tip 1. Consider the sun's path. The sun's path is an essential factor in determining the orientation of your home. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, which means that the south-facing side of your home will receive the most sunlight. This is particularly important in the winter months when you want to maximize sunlight to keep your home warm. Tip 2. Take advantage of natural light. Natural light can make your home feel more spacious and comfortable, which is why it's important to consider how to maximize it. Position your living spaces towards the south and west-facing sides of your home. This way, you'll get plenty of natural light throughout the day. You can also install skylights or large windows to bring in more light. Tip 3. Consider the wind direction. The wind direction is another important factor to consider when orienting your home. If you live in a hot climate, you'll want to position your home so that it can take advantage of natural breezes. By positioning your home perpendicular to the direction of the prevailing winds, you can create a natural ventilation system that keeps your home cool. Tip 4. Landscaping. Landscaping can have a significant impact on the orientation of your home. Consider planting trees or shrubs on the west-facing side of your home to provide shade in the summer months when the sun is high in the sky. This will help keep your home cool and reduce your energy consumption. Tip 5. Climate. The climate in your area is an essential factor to consider when orienting your home. If you live in a cold climate, you'll want to position your home so that it receives as much sunlight as possible in the winter months. On the other hand, if you live in a hot climate, you'll want to position your home so that it can take advantage of natural breezes to keep it cool. Choosing the correct orientation for your home is an important decision that can significantly impact your daily life. By considering factors such as the sun's path, natural light, wind direction, landscaping, and climate, you can make an informed decision that will ensure your home is comfortable, energy efficient, and welcoming. We hope these tips have been helpful in orienting your home.